What's up guys, welcome back to Joevestor Trades. My name is Joseph, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys what the MACD indicator is and how you can use it when you're trading to better time your entries. If you go on to enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more trading content. Also, if you want to be a part of a trading community with over 1,500 members, make sure to check out the Discord channel in the description down below. So now that we have the chart pulled up, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to add the MACD indicator. I do use Thinkorswim, but I'll show you on Tradingview as well. So the first thing you want to go to is Studies, and then if you click Add Studies and hover over All Studies, right here L to M, you'll see that MACD is right there. And then it'll pop up right at the bottom of your screen. And if we go over to Tradingview, all you have to do is click Indicators, search MACD, and then click it right there. And if we X out of that, you'll see it pops up on the bottom as well. So now I'm going to go back to Thinkorswim, show you guys exactly how to use this indicator, how it can help you make money, and what it stands for. So the first thing I want to go over is the MACD indicator itself. And if we zoom in on this indicator, I'll show you exactly what it is. So first and foremost, the MACD stands for Moving Average Convergence Divergence. And I know it sounds very complicated, but believe it or not, it is one of the most useful indicators, and it is very easy to use. So right here we see that there's this blue line and that there's this white line as well, and then you also have these histograms. So right here, this blue line indicates the MACD line, and then this white line is also known as the signal line. So when the MACD crosses above this signal line, it is showing that the momentum in the market is shifting upward to the buyers. And you can also assume that the price in the market will also start to increase. And then vice versa, when the MACD line crosses down, the momentum is shifting to the sellers, and we can expect a price to go further down. Now, the higher these histograms get on the MACD, the stronger the momentum is, and the lower it gets, the weaker the momentum is. So as I stated before, the MACD crossing up is bullish and the MACD crossing down is bearish. So now I'm going to take you guys through a few examples on the chart and see how you can use the MACD to help you with your trading. If we zoom out here on FSLR, we can see that FSLR is in a clear uptrend. And right now I'm going to move my MACD back down, as well as the RSI. So right here I see FSLR is in a clear uptrend, and I'm actually going to draw the trend line it is forming. So right here we can see that FSLR is maintaining this line, and this is called an upward channel. Well, if you wanted to trade FSLR, you can use the MACD to your advantage to help you make money. Now if we zoom in into FSLR, I'll show you guys exactly what to look for. So right now I'm going to expand this MACD just a little bit more so you could see it better. And right now, this bottom line is known as my support line. FSLR typically bounces from this trend line. And right now, right here, we can see FSLR pushes up in price. Well, as it's pushing up, you can see here on the bottom, the MACD starts to increase. The histograms get bigger and the MACD line also goes up. Well, right here towards the top, the MACD line crosses down, signifying that the momentum is shifting to the sellers, and we can see the price start to curl down. So right here, you can see the MACD crosses and the price moves down. And then later on, we'll see that the MACD crosses up and the price goes above as well. So this is a very easy and good indicator to use, and you should also use it along with the RSI. If you don't know what the RSI is, you can check out that video in the card above right now on your screen. And right here, we'll see that the RSI is showing that the market, or FSLR in this instance, is overvalued. And if you also look at the MACD, we can see that the histograms are very high. And right now, if we zoom in on this one spot, you can see that the green starts to fade. So right now we can anticipate that the MACD is going to cross down and the price will fall further. So as you can see, using it with the RSI as well is very useful. The RSI lets you know before the MACD that the price is overbought. And then later on, we see that the MACD is starting to curl down, signifying a bearish move in this stock. And I'll show you guys another example as well on BLNK. BLNK, similar to FSLR, is in a nice clear uptrend. I like to trade stocks that are in these upward channels. They're very, very easy to trade. And if we zoom in even further, you can see that the MACD is curling up and then starts to cross down. I do anticipate these moves by the colors changing in the green. We can see it starts to fade, and as it's fading, the MACD curls down. And as it curls down, we notice that the price falls further and further, and then once it crosses right here back to the upwards direction, we see that the price increases. So I highly recommend adding this indicator to your charts, and I'll show you guys one more example, which is on Facebook. You don't always have to use the MACD for upward trends. You could also use it off support and resistance levels as well. So if we pull up Facebook and I draw out this support area right here on Facebook, I'll show you guys exactly how the MACD behaves as it reaches its support level. And if we zoom in right here, when Facebook bounced off the level, we see that first off, the RSI is oversold, and then later on the MACD curls up and Facebook starts to push up. It tests this line again, the MACD doesn't cross down, it still stays above the signal line and continues to go higher, and Facebook rises as well with it. And if we zoom out on Facebook, we can see Facebook tests this support line again over here, and the MACD behaved the same as well. It crossed up, signifying that the momentum is shifting to the buyers. So I really like this indicator. I use it all the time when I'm trading. You don't always have to use this for swing trading. You can use it for day trading as well, and it is very, very beneficial. So the main thing with this MACD is that you want to be buying when the momentum is shifting to the buyers, and you want to start locking profits or selling out of your positions as the MACD starts to cross down. It is recommended that you use this along with the RSI and support and resistance lines to help you get a better idea for trading in and out of your positions. Let me know what you guys thought about the MACD indicator in the comment section down below, and whether or not you'll be adding it to your charts. If you learned anything from this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss an upload. See you in the next one.